Hi folks, DomeMan here. So I've got a couple days off here. It's the fall, the rainy season is here. It's about 6 degrees outside. This tarp's a good 10 years old, maybe 15. We've got a fair bit of buildup on the roof. The gable, I've rinsed it already a little bit once, and I've got a new prototype spray bar I'm going to show you guys. Here's the roof. The first 5 peaks have actually thrown powdered laundry detergent on, big Costco 20-pound box. Only made it about 4 or 5 peaks, and it did clean it a little bit, and far away you can see it. Yeah, you kind of have to scrub these tarps. So I've got a heavy wall pipe there with 16-inch holes in it. Got a pressure gauge. Probably a shutoff valve that's not going to be able to handle the pressure if I actually turn it off. We're only about 20 or 30 psi until I can get that orifice size smaller from a 16th. So that'll be my next thing. That'll be like the Lux model. And then I put on an air compressor fitting here and a little water jacket here. So, and scrub brush. So let's go over here and see how it looks. I am using a chemical cleaner. It's a high alkalinity, high sulfactant cleaner. You can Google those things if you're not sure what that means. It's a commercial available product. Comes in a big 45-gallon drum. So if you want to wash a fabric building, the key thing is not to put too much pressure on the part, like with a pressure washer, and cut holes in it. And you think that'd be obvious, but I've had a lot of people tell me they've wrecked their building's roof because they use a pressure washer. So you can kind of see we just got 6 holes there in his pipe, blasting out water. We've only been able to build about 20 psi. A smaller orifice would help that pressure go up higher. And I'm not at all hurting my hand, so we could definitely go higher pressure and not damage the part. I think you just scrub it clean. So I found this works pretty good. You just make a pass off the top railing. And then you go down in here and do the same thing again. Kind of prying off the railing. Obviously a very labor intensive job. But now you're not holding a pressure washer, wand in your hand and trying to do that as well. Because you're not going to last very long doing that. And then this guy, I found that sometimes you want to put a little bit of water above where you're working, and that's where he kind of comes in. I just need to get my pressure up higher, so to do that I got to get my orifice size smaller. I'm just using some spare parts around the shop to see how things work. This valve needs to be a higher pressure valve, because if I were to actually close it, it would probably break. Pressure washer would be able to put enough pressure to break that brass. Okay, that's it from DomeMan. Tips and tricks. How to clean your dome.